Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be how I get my hair into a sleek bun. We're starting off with second day hair. It's looking a little stretched out and whatnot. I wore a bun the other day, a top bun, really messy bun. So my hair is stretched out, my roots are stretched out a little bit. So I think this is the perfect time that I like to do sleek buns because my roots are already stretched out. I have a little bit of product in my hair, and so the next part is you'll see me detangling my hair with the wide tooth comb, and that's just easier to do on stretched out hair. And when I'm detangling it, I'm not using too much force. If it does look like I'm using force, trust me, I'm not. I'm being super gentle. You want to start at the ends and move upward towards your roots. It doesn't have to be super detangled, but just stretched out a little more, and you'll see from the coming clips what I'm talking about. My hair, after I detangle it with my wide tooth comb, is just a little more stretched out, and it just makes it a little easier to get sleek and in a bun with my hair texture. Okay, so now that my hair is stretched out a little bit more, I'm going to take some water just to hydrate my hair, get in there and make sure that it's not too dry, and to activate the product that I already have in my hair. So all I'm doing is just sectioning off my hair with my fingers, kind of not really trying to pay attention to the sections, just want to make sure that every part of my hair has some hydration back into it. My hair gets the driest in the front part of my hair, so I try to pay attention to that the most when I'm going in with my spray bottle. After I'm done with that, I just take my hair and just massage that water into it, making sure that everything is nice and distributed. I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk in the front of my hair, and we want to get that nice and moisturized, so when we go in with our brush and sleek it down, we don't have any flyaways or anything. Now I'm taking my wide tooth comb and going in there and making a part. I am terrible at making parts. I don't know what it is. Maybe I don't have the patience, but I am terrible at making parts. So you'll see me struggling with this part. I'm like, look, that's good enough, but I'm doing the video, so I'm trying to do it right for y'all. But otherwise, I'd be like, look, that's good enough. Don't worry about it. So I'm just taking my water bottle and putting some hydration back into that front part and combing it out just to once again stretch it out after it's been hydrated, stretching out my roots. And I'm doing this process for a couple of times just to keep on stretching out my roots and rehydrating my hair, and also putting back in the curl and style milk when I need to. So I'm going in with my brush in the front of my hair just to make everything look super sleek, and on my roots, going in and going a couple of times on each part. And as you can see, it just makes it look so sleek and shiny because we have the curl and shine milk in our hair and we hydrated it with the water, so our hair is nice and ready to be sleeked down. I keep on brushing it all around my hair until I get the look I'm going for. I like it really straight in the front. I'm not too concerned about it being super sleek in the back of my hair, like where the ponytail will be, because I do have a lot of hair. So I'm not as concerned. So I like to use DAX on my edges. I'm taking that with a toothbrush, going in and really focusing on my baby hairs and also the front part of my hair, just to make sure nothing sticks up right there and just to keep it in place. So back in with the brush, using it to slick it out once again and blend in some of the DAX with the rest of my hair so you don't really see it. And then I'm just putting out my hair together in the back, making sure that it's nice and sleek like I want it, and putting in a ponytail in the back. And I have a lot of hair in the back, so what I do is I just I forgot what you call it, it's almost like a cinnamon bun method, where you just kind of twirl your hair around. Yeah, you kind of twirl your hair around the ponytail, and it makes it a lot easier for my hair to fit in a ponytail. It's still gonna look thick, but I don't mind it looking like this because it gets all of the hair off my neck, especially if it's hot, and I just love that way. So these are the final results, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below. Hit the bell so you can be notified, and leave me some comments on what videos you guys want to see from me. Bye.